I've been trying hard to say these. Dance away the pain and play me. 3 kings, yeah, I had some babies. Vibe like we straight out Pleiades. Demons out here trying to play me. Hit you with that bomb, my kid, don't complicate me. Witnessing these flies on shit, you'll skip fugazi. I've been low-key frequently, I'm all alone. Mash a metaphysic, kick the tiger bomb. Spit a poppy, I've been rockin' ice like Anunnaki. Carbon copy, scoping sloppy, see the style is dodgy. Get the thuggin' for them devils, snatchin', publishing. I'm humble, tumbling through these connected routes of smuggling. Young Chapo, Don, not a capo. Don't tote the Roscoe, but heaven, not Flacco. Been done, dug it, my subject is mad public. Don't make me get mean, mugged. I'm peaceful but flip rugged, I shine like a nugget. Music, I unplug it, too careless, I I can't touch it, you itching to kill, brothers, you blind. Motherfuckers play like you Uncle Ruckus to crime. How we suffer like every day getting rougher, I've been working on a slave ship, oh Lord, I don't know if I can make it. Everything I do, they take it, oh Lord, and ain't nothing really sacred. Watch me free up my mind, watch me free up my mind, watch me free up my mind, to infinity time. Watch me free up my mind, watch me free up my mind, watch me free up my mind, to infinity time. There's a way to pain to play me. 3 kings, yeah, I had some babies. Vibe like we straight out Pleiades. Demons out here tryna play me. Hit you with that garlic tip, your ass is lazy. Mobbing on the parliament, the squad is crazy. I've been on my seeking, creeping all alone. Geeking with the heat and spitting mantra poems. No Versace, no paparazzi watching homes. Just the vultures playing close, they fracture cracking bones. Scrape a clip, kiss tripping for the capital. Acts irrational, the castaway, the blackest soul. Heaven's coming, ninja we dancing under. Spell of the sacred mother, propelling to break the slumber. I tune, I cannot end. Blessings we ain't forgotten. Sessions that came from chopping the essence to get it poppin'. I bloom like a lotus, stuck in the stagnant water. Beauty is more than surface, my purpose to make it larger. No room for hesitation, faith, get self in order. Before the morning, I be dancing into Nirvana. Watch me free up my mind, watch me free up my mind, watch me free up my mind, to infinity time. Watch me free up my mind, watch me free up my mind, watch me free up my mind, to infinity time.
Double up, 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up, I ain't telling no lies, I just, yeah. I ain't telling no lies, I just
5, 4, 3, 2, that's time. I got to you that money, my dreams come true, my life in diamonds. Who knew? Who knew? Who knew? Who knew?
turn 7 to a 14, 14 to a whole thing. Lord knows it's a cold game. Switched up on you hoes, man. Big body take both lanes. Backseat blowing propane. All black, 5 gold chains. Young rich nigga bossed up on his own, man. My new shit sound like it's old train. Tookie Williams over Coltrane. Eric B by the rope chain. RC, we for show bang. Tiny Lokes and they go crazy. What you know about the dope game? Was you born in the 80s? Did your mama smoke cocaine? Have you ever seen the whole thing? Was you drove to the streets cause you grew up on show change? Fucked up when the dope age. It remind me when these rappers drop duds and they quotes change. Had to part with the low fade. I was standing in front of Knicks with my sack for the whole day. Drive-bys, that was road rage. And we park and hop out, learn levels to this whole thing. Old school play the OJs, tryna make a slow change. Mama still slaving for a low wage. Tryna double up, yeah. 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up. I ain't telling no lies, I just, yeah. I ain't telling no lies, I just
5, 4, 3, 2, that's time. I got to you that money, my dreams come true, my life in diamonds. Who knew? Who knew? Who knew? Who knew? Who knew?
behind if you let me. Ironic, I drown just to hold you down. I jump off the ledge if you're with me. I break you up, you just let me down. Let me down.
Get my all money in chain too.
Let me down.
It's hard to catch what you can't see. I grew up to be who I wanna be, so the more niggas talk, I'ma shine. Might have been way before it's time. Posted with my back against the wall. Life is a bitch, but she mine. The rag 6'2", yeah, it's mine. The west side too, yeah, it's mine. What you know about? Your poster on the wall at the dealership. Leaving in the bed, legs trembling. Getting banged on for your penalties. What you know about? Your response be the reason you exist. Lucky I ain't get caught up in the twist. Young nigga, blue pager on my hip, so that's the champagne spill and the car accelerate and the beat gon' cry. I'll be going to the bank at least 3-4 times. Get handshakes from the branch managers. We keep doing fly shit when the cameras cut.
Double up, yeah. 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up. I ain't telling no lies, I just I ain't telling no lies, I just
5, 4, 3, 2, that's time. I got to you that morning. My dreams